Loki, you put your bed upside down. It's upside down, Loki. Here, let's put it right side up. Ready? Ready? Right side up. There. Yeah. That's right. Over here, Loki. Do you like your new bed? Do you? And water break. So now Loki has the toy in his mouth, right? And he's showing the bed who's boss, right? Okay, Loki, don't let me interrupt you. Show them how you do your thing. I don't have my fingers on it. Vicious dog. Not at all. Right? Oh, growl. Are you a vicious dog, Loki? No. Have you forgot about your bed? Oh my goodness. Oh. Ready? In the bed.